So, after almost 30 hours of flying on not one,
not two,
but 3 planes. We have finally made it to Brazil.
yay! I'm home!
We've come to your hometown.
Exactly, we are in the state of Bahia, the city of Salvador, Lauro de Freitas, and we're visiting my family. And yeah, we're staying for 15 days in this magical, beachy, tropical place. It's amazing, I'm so happy.
Just look at this place. Wow.
This beach is actually 5 minutes away from my mom's place. So yeah, it's one of my favorite beaches in the city. We're gonna be spending a lot of time with family and friends, so we won't be filming as much, but we're also planning on doing a bunch of, you know, touristic-y things around the city, like visiting monuments, possibly a food tour as well.
You're gonna be the expert. You're gonna be taking us around. So, I mean, what are we gonna do today?
Okay, we're gonna spend some time on the beach today and then go back home, have lunch, maybe take a nap, and visit some friends, go shopping, might go to a concert in the evening. Yeah, so just play it by ear today.
All right, let's enjoy the beach and let's start this trip off in Brazil. It's really nice staying about 10 minutes drive from a super local beach. It's not jam-packed with tourists.
Yeah.
But the sun is getting rather high and we need to get back. So what are we doing next?
We're gonna go back home to have some lunch and then probably gonna visit some friends in the afternoon.
Vamos! What's for lunch?
Salad,
Okay.
plantain moqueca,
Nice.
beans,
Mm-hmm.
quinoa, some pork and potatoes and sweet potatoes, beetroot, and zucchini.
Nice. All right, lunch was awesome. And the cook's right behind us.
Right
It's
there.
awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna go visit some friends now and maybe go to a concert later on
Yeah,
in the evening.
a lot up in the air right now, but we'll definitely check in later throughout the day and let you know what we're up to.
After a super cool afternoon at our friend's house, we came to this bar over here. It's called Red, and my cousin's boyfriend is playing tonight, so yay!
We're here, we're gonna listen to some music, enjoy some beer.
Some cold beer.
And yeah, we'll check in a little bit later. Doesn't matter. Great music by our friend Kiko tonight, and a whole lot of fun, and a great start to our first full day in Brazil.
Yes, definitely.
Wasn't the most touristy video, but we plan on doing a little bit more in Salvador in the next week, so more on that coming.
Yeah, get tuned for that.
And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.